Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again. I swear on my mum's I'm due to go pen.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Promise, aka Promisetingz, and I am back with another YouTube video. And as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to not be a dry texter. And chances are, if you clicked on this video, you think you are a dry texter, or you're just wondering what you can do to improve your texting skills, or you're just interested, like, what is she, like, and what I'm talking about. You're like, what is she talking about? What is she talking about? And yeah, I'm finna tell y'all what I'm talking about. So yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm talking weird or if I have like a little lisp in this video, it's because I got my braces off, so I'm wearing a retainer. Yeah, we love that. So yeah, disregard the lisp if you hear it come through. But yeah, let's just get into this video without further ado. First things first. Okay, so you know, like, we've all been sent like funny, you know, like funny posts, funny messages, funny pictures, things like that. Like, and we all, you know, most people say like LOL, you know, that's literally the most driest thing you could ever send to someone else's phone. Like, you ought to be embarrassed to just send LOL to someone's phone. Like, you obviously are just dry, like Popeye's biscuit, like, you know, sandpaper. Like, yeah, like, you're just dry. Like, don't send LOL. You know what you should do instead of sending LOL? Really? You know what you should do? You should literally send like freaking weird emojis. Like, that's literally what I do. Like, if I find something funny, I send like cricket emojis, like the mosquito cricket, mosquito cricket, mosquito cricket, cause it's like jumping up and down. So I'm like yeah. Not that laugh though, but you get it. So I'm basically like that, you know? Or I send like crying eyes emoji. I know it's pretty basic, but hun, it's not dry, it's better than LOL. Or you can say LMAO with the at the end, you know, but don't really say just like type a whole bunch of different random like letters in all caps after the LMAO, you know? So yeah. Or like if someone also like sends you something like shocking, you know, like just any message, like it can even go for a funny message or a post, whatever they send you. You can literally just send a reaction picture back or a reaction GIF or, you know, video or something like that you have in your phone. I usually send those. I don't really send those a lot, but I do sometimes. Like if I'm in group chats and stuff, I will send, you know, reaction pictures back or GIFs because they just fit the mood. You know, just spices it up a bit. You know, like, sis, you gotta spice your messages up. You can't just be like dry, like you are not a Popeye's biscuit. You have no reason to be that dry. So yeah, spice it up. Next thing you can do is like when you're saying something sarcastic or, you know, to be like cringy, like a little bit. I don't know why, but I like to use cat emojis, you know, when I'm being sarcastic, like that grin, like that's like that. I don't know how to do that face, but you know what I'm talking about. I feel like you know. But when I use the cat emojis, I don't know why, but they just remind me of the Debbie Ryan meme. Cat emojis just spice things up. Like, they just really do spice things up. Like, it just makes you like, you just feel different. Like, you feel like a brand new you know? Like, you know? Because everybody be using the freaking regular emojis, but then here you are, boom, cat emoji. Period, you know? So you're not as dry. I just helped you out. Never respond with the letter K. Okay, don't be just like K. Okay, again, we are not Popeye's biscuits. We have no reason to be that dry. Don't respond with K. Like, just do anything freaking but saying the letter K. Like, that is just, I don't know, it just gives me like bad vibes. Like, if someone ever texts me K, I'm like, yeah, we're done talking, you know? Your only exception to texting the letter K is if you're in a rush or busy or something. Other than that, you should not want to text the letter K willingly, and that's just on that. To have a better conversation with somebody, don't have like a huge gap of time between each segment, like what you're talking about, whatever. Like, try to keep your convo replies quick because that keeps the conversation rolling longer, you know, and try to also bring like new topics into the conversation, like about stuff, like try to smooth like them in. I don't know how to say that. Wait. Try to swiggle them, whatever, you know what I mean, but just try to like put the topics in somewhere, like try to like, you know, flow the conversation. I can't talk, but try to just flow the conversation somewhere like different, and that's gonna keep the whole like convo in general not so dry. And lastly, when you're texting someone, do not keep asking what you doing, what you want to talk about. Replace what you doing with what's your favorite movie, or like where do you see yourself in freaking 5 years, like what's the nastiest fast food place you ever eaten at, like stuff like that. Like, just ask different things and just what you're doing, because obviously if they texting you, they're not doing nothing, so what you asking what you're doing every 5 minutes? Duh, you know? So thank you for watching. That is it for this YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And other videos of mine will be down in the description box. They will be linked. Yes, they will. And they're my videos, so of course you would like them. Duh. And yeah. And my social medias will also be down in the description box as well. So yeah. Peace.